All right, I bought a Sondler. Actually, it's a tungsten electrode sharpener for my new Tig welder. I'm going to open this up and show you what comes in it. And then the tungsten hasn't come in yet. So, all right, I unsealed it. Ooh, and it comes in a nice little box. All right, I'm going to take this down and we'll open it up. All right, when you do this, see that grinding plate alignment hole? That is the level that I'm going to set the grinding disc to. Evidently, that is the correct height. So when you put your tungsten in there, it'll have the correct angle of the tip. So there you go. So now I'm going to slap this puppy together and show you. All right, I put this together and then I had to wait for my tungsten to get here. I got a 3/32 blue, and I think from looking at the graph, it shows that the 3/32 will be the third. Is it the third? From the biggest. So that'll be right there, if I'm correct. Let me see. And there we go. There we go. But yeah, I put a nice point on it relatively quickly, consistently, so it's a dedicated sharpener for the tungsten. There we go. There you can see. So now I can see how it works in the torch, but that's a different video. So there you go. If you're looking for a tungsten sharpener, this one seems to do the trick. So there you go.